Hey everyone, this is Lucas, and if you are looking for some business advices, how to make money, how to start your own company, you are at the right place. And I will be actually showing all businesses I have. I will be showing you how to create a business from A to Z, from total scratch, how much money you can make, and how to structure your company in the future. So if you are interested in business, money and real estate, just stay tuned and keep watching. Maybe you are just wondering, why should I watch this guy and take his advice? That's pretty simple. That's because I have several companies for almost 25 years and I own businesses in Europe and the US. I know the e-commerce, I know the marketing side, I know the business itself. So my passion is to develop business, to create new business. That's my thing, and to keep it running as well. Keep watching, guys. I'm actually in my office, which is in Las Vegas, and I just realized that there is a map behind me. So I came from this place, which is in Europe. It's Czech. And we are in the US right now, and this is actually our flag. Interesting, right? So a little bit of geography. Today I'd like to show you how to make money pretty fast and what you need to do on the first place when you are just in need to save money on the first place. You have to collect everything you have. Everything, I mean everything you didn't use for a while. It can be your camera, it can be your old computer, old phone, whatever it is, and you didn't use it at all for almost a year. That's my thing. Whatever I didn't use for 1 year, that's the candidate for selling, and I just don't need to have it in my shelf. So you can get some money from that and you can use it for your business. And trust me, you will need some money to run successful business, and I will show you how to do it. Let's take a look what I collected in my house. Oh, there is one thing. One of my companies, we are shipping parcels from US to all Europe and all countries like these. So to these countries, we are authorized shipping agent, and I have my company here. So you can take your package, ship it for like third of the price that USPS or UPS or FedEx has, and it will be shipped to country in Europe, and it looks like that. So I have some equipment here. I will tell you later what it's all about, and let me show you my storage, which is filled with things that's for sale. I have some table for products, so I can place it here. I can make some photos of it so it looks nice. When you're going through your house, take things that you really don't need and you haven't used it for a while, like my old AirPods, hands-free. It's like it's literally dollars in there. We had a business on Etsy, so I will show you as well how to make your e-commerce, how you can make money from different things. We have some products from China. I didn't mention that before, but I lived 2 years in Russia, in Moscow. So I was doing some hard project there, and I spent like 7 years trading in China. I have a rich experience with developing products in China, selling them online, and I'd like to share all my knowledge with you because it's really interesting for me to take somebody through the process, to lead somebody like step by step. Let's take a look what else we have here that came from auctions. So I will also show you how to buy things at auction. So we have some stuff from China which I didn't use for a while, or it's new, it's brand new. These products, for instance, usually these are like $5 to $9 each. I bought this for like $5. That's like 10 pieces in there. Do you know what is that? It's pretty. It's really interesting. Original McDonald's, and these are Star Wars. I had some stuff from Apple. I have some old stuff that I use for photography. Let's move to my studio. So here's my studio set for music. I will show you how to make easy money with some music devices. Behind me, there's my studio, there's my office. I'll put my camera to the tripod. Oh, that was a scam. We have a bet between me and my wife that she started a YouTube channel literally a few weeks ago. She's a personal trainer. I thought it will be an interesting game because we have a bet who first will make some money from it, first dollar from monetization of YouTube. I don't care about my YouTube income. I don't mind to have like zero for a year. It's something that I like to present, like, we'll see, whatever. The first thing you have to do, you have to understand that if you have credit cards, this is something really dangerous for you. You need to take a look on your expenses. I strongly recommend you to download the app Quicken. The Quicken app is awesome because you can connect all accounts to it, and it's awesome. You can just track everything and you can see every expenses you have, so you don't miss anything. For instance, if you subscribe for some services, you will see it. It will catch it for you, so you can connect it to your credit account, to your checking, savings, all accounts you have. You're just connected right there. Strongly suggest. I don't have any affiliates, but it's awesome. You have to have it. So Quicken is the thing. Next, go and pick every single thing you really don't need to have. Like, do I need to have Netflix subscription? Yes or no? Like, have to. I'm not saying if you are willing to have it or not. You can watch any movie almost for like free on YouTube or anywhere else. You really doesn't need to have Netflix. I have a Prime. I'm using it for my business, so it comes with a streaming service, whatever. Next thing, write down all your expenses that you have on a monthly basis. If you are paying for a car insurance, if you are paying for your mortgage for a home rent or whatever you have. Next, we will do one important thing. Whatever you can, cancel it. You will save $15, that's fine. You know, the $15 or $20 a month, it's not a big deal, right? If you think that small expenses like $20 or even $10 or even $5 a month doesn't count, that's not true. Take $10 and multiply it by 12, you have $120, which is a lot. You can do that 10 times, you have $1,200. Even better, when it's like small thing, it means you probably don't need it at all. It's not expensive or important. You have to find where you can save some money. For instance, I had 3 numbers. I paid $70, maybe $80 per number, and it's for T-Mobile. I actually switched to Mint. I had to pay a whole year for 3 numbers, which was like $900. But seriously, it's like $25 a number, not like 70. So that's insane. You will save a lot of money. You have to cancel all subscriptions you have. You don't need. Do you need Office 365? No. Google, it's free, for instance. So I don't want to go really into the depth of like what you have to do, but if you're interested in that, we can make some plan for you. But this is just an intro that I'd like to show you how to make money instantly, and the next week you will just find out, hey, I have some cash with me, so I can do something, I can create some business, which is actually my point. Collect stuff you can sell. I will show you how to sell it. Let's talk about it a little bit. You have few options where you can sell your stuff. OfferUp, it's good, but it's for local. I don't recommend it too much, because if you are selling something like really expensive, that's fine. If you are selling some stuff that you can get on a recurring like basis, that's fine. You can use that platform. I don't really like it. I like it for buying because you can negotiate a price a lot. I'm using it if I want to get rid of anything. I'm using that. I can list I don't know, 30, 40 things in like a half day, and I can sell it the same day. Let's say you have some product and it's selling for $1,000, new one. So you have to understand what is the range, or what is the price where you will be able to sell it quick. So that's the point. You don't want to wait like a month. I will teach you that. I actually have from 1999, I have a shop where I'm selling and buying stuff from around the world. I'm importing stuff from US, from Europe, and I'm selling it locally. Besides, you will clean your house. It's refreshing. It's awesome when you are just you just get rid of the thing you are waiting, and your wife is waiting for selling it for ages, and you are just get rid of this ugly couch for like $10, and it's gone, and you have a lot of space, and you have $10, by the way, which is good. Okay, so next one is Amazon. Amazon is awesome. You have to pay like $50 per month, but if you are able to get some products like I did from auctions, you can resell them. That's great. It's for selling like a new and used products as well. Next one, eBay. Obviously, I don't like it too much. I was selling on my eBay for tens of $1,000 in the last few months. You're able to sell things really fast, but it depends. You have to make your rules, and you have to understand what you are selling. Whatever. I will be making a video about what to sell and how to sell it and where to sell it. So don't worry about that. I will teach you that later. That's pretty much it. My wife, she's using some apps for selling used clothes. I'm not a fan of selling like clothes at all, but whatever. She's good. She actually bought something like makeups and stuff like that. She's awesome. She's not like spending a lot of money, even though she can. So that's awesome. I love her. Okay, so this video was just about to like introduction what I do here, and I just want to engage you guys to come back later to if you are on the business wave, if you love to make a business and you don't know how to start, keep watching this channel and subscribe. I promise I will be putting more content, and you can find me on Instagram as well. My name is Lucas, N-A-C-H, so those contacts are in there. I'm in Las Vegas. I'm a realtor. I'm in real estate. I'm a businessman. I do business overseas. I'd like to have you here. I will be doing small businesses, and I will be showing you how you can make money and how you can keep it running, how you can take care about your customers, how to communicate with them. I have some crazy ideas like, hey, let's buy a food truck and let's try it, how it works like, and let's try ATM business, so all these ideas I have, and I'd like to prove that money are just out there, and I don't want you to be just sitting and be saying like, hey, that sucks, there's Corona. I'm actually much busier than before the COVID hit, so just stay tuned, hit subscribe. I need you to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, so just hit it, and you can come back and you can unsubscribe at any time. I promise it's for free, so I will not charge you for unsubscribing. So see you next time, guys. My name is Lucas, and I'm sending you a high five.